to the airport to go to Disney World. Mom's excited. We stopped and got Whataburger this morning. It is an essential. We had some breakfast taquitos. Now we are gonna go park. We will go through security. She's upset because I don't have pre-check, so we're probably gonna have to wait in a long line with all of the, or you have clear. I don't even have pre-check. So we're gonna have to wait in line for all of the holiday travelers. Then get on our plane. We're flying Southwest and we leave at 11:05, which means we will get to MCO in Orlando at like 3:40 Orlando time, which is about 2:40 our time. So we will see you either in the airport or at MCO getting on the Magical Express. We landed at MCO. Now we are waiting for our bags for our baggage claim because Magical Express doesn't grab them anymore. And we're in Terminal A, so we're gonna have to get our bags and then go to Terminal B. But then we will get on the Magical Express. I don't know how we got so lucky. There's no line at Magical Express. We are going to walk up and get right on. The rental car lines are insanely long, so I guess people still aren't comfortable on the bus. Nice and easy. Lane 8. It looks like it is just a lane for our hotel. The new sign is really pretty. That took forever. I think it took like an hour and a half since but I'm saying since we landed. I don't know, because we had to get our bags in Terminal A, then go back up to Terminal B over to Magical Express, and then we were at the last hotel stop on Magical Express. But now we are here at Coronado Springs, and we are actually staying in GRAN DESTINO Tower. And we already have our room number. Up on the 14th floor, so we have to make it over to the elevator. Let's go up to our room. And this elevator is so fun. Oh, they have red, white, and blue patriotic colors. There is a wait. I'm supposed to press 14. 14. The way this elevator works is there's no buttons. Inside, you push the button before you actually get on the elevator, and it tells you where to go. So we are on floor 14. Looks like we are at the very last room.
Is that what it was? I thought
Yeah. Yeah. But most people don't have them now if they chose not to buy them. We are all the way down here. Do you want to make sure this was our room?
I'm pretty sure it was.
9471 at the end of the hall.
Well, we might be able to see fireworks from.
Yeah, maybe we'll see some Epcot fireworks because this is down where Epcot is.
Well, then again, we
Right here.
Oh,
We went past
I
it.
took her room off.
She's mad at me because we were actually 9417. So we went to the completely wrong side. But hey, maybe we are closer to the elevators. Maybe we have a better room. Hoping this works out for the best. But we went the completely wrong way.
What are you doing here? You're going upstairs.
Dale, mami, quédate aquí para no
Come
trabajar.
on, you're gonna do that to the phone. Let's go.
Ay, Dios.
Let's do it later.
No, we're gonna wear this then.
Yeah, but this is a lot shorter hallway.
Yes, it is.
And no, we're not at the end. We are so close to the elevator. See, this worked out for the best. All right, this is the tower standard room at the GRAN DESTINO Tower at Coronado Springs. So you come on in the door, and then right here on your left is the bathroom. And you have your double vanity sinks. You have your standing shower with the double shower head. It has the attached shampoo, conditioner, body wash. We get our face soap, aloe, mouthwash, body lotion, shower cap, the vanity kit. And then this one has the pocket door, toilet, in a different little room, so somebody can be using the restroom while somebody else is at the sinks or using the shower. But the one inconvenience is someone can't be in the shower and the sink in the tower room. We come over here, we have our armoire, the extra pillow and blankets. There is the steam iron, the safe. We have a nice tall floor length mirror, the little seat to put luggage, Keurig, ice buckets. We have our countertop, some resort TV is on. We have the double queen beds in mom. And then we have another floor length mirror right here. It's nice, but it's kind of inconveniently stashed behind the bed. Come over here and we have the most beautiful view of the parking lot. You can see Blizzard Beach. There's Summit Plummet right here. We can see the top of Batu, and then we've got the Tower of Terror right here. But Hollywood Studios doesn't have fireworks or anything, so we won't get to see any fireworks. But that is the Coronado GRAN DESTINO Tower room. We made it to dinner. We are at the Villa del Lago Barn Grill, or Three Bridges Barn Grill. It has a lot of names. But we got a 2-person table over here with a nice view of the tower. And we are right on the water. I wonder if we'll have any alligator friends come and see us. But right there is the pool, the dig site, the tower, and old Coronado Springs with the casitas. But we are going to get the warm cheese dip and then I think some braised pork tacos, and we're gonna share those. We will probably be back sometime during this stay because I really want to try the sangria flight, but I think we might wait for my sister to get here before we get that one because I know that she would love it too. So we're just gonna get cheese dip and pork tacos, and we are going to share, and hopefully that will hold us over for the night. We got our queso and chips. There's not a lot of a cheese pull, but it looks different than Texas queso. I think it'll taste good. Is it good?
It's good.
It is pretty good.
It's more like a,
It's got like some chilies in it. It's good. It's like a chewy cheese. Like it really is just melted cheese. It's not what I would consider Tex-Mex queso.
right, I mean,
It's thicker. It really does taste like melted cheese. And it's got a little bit of like meat and red peppers in it, but it's so delicious. And these chips are definitely like fresh chips. Look at that. It's so good. Okay, wow. That cheese dip was so good. Probably still finish it. And then we got the braised pork tacos. It has some cotija cheese, shredded carrots. It looks like some kind of like chimichurri, jalapeno, cilantro, and then we've got some like spicy mango on the side. I don't know, but this dip looks delicious. I'll tell you how it was after, but they look really juicy. Like there's a lot of juices running out of tacos, so we're gonna eat and enjoy.
well, because there's more of a story to it than what you mentioned.
We got churros. They're not as good as the ones in the Animal Kingdom. They're really airy. It comes with this chocolate sauce, and they are delicious. They're really good. I think the chocolate sauce is what makes it